Are you facing challenges with setting up a multitude of G Suite and Outlook accounts for your intricate email strategies? Delivering emails effectively in the B2B landscape is no small feat. It involves a web of complexities, like escaping relentless spam filters and ensuring your outreach doesn't fall on deaf ears, or worse, unread in a junk folder. For companies with dozens of employees, these tasks scale dramatically. You're not just crafting a handful of emails, you're managing an entire fleet, each from a unique domain to maximize deliverability. Buying multiple domains similar to your main one, creating individual accounts on each, and ensuring they can send up to 40 emails a day are just the starting points. There's a delicate dance of warming up these accounts using tools like Smart Leads or Instantly before even beginning your outreach. Now, let's streamline the process of setting up G Suite and Outlook accounts within this scalable structure. The following solutions are designed specifically for B2B companies with 20 to 100 employees looking to enhance their email outreach infrastructure. 1. Automating G Suite setup. Develop a comprehensive spreadsheet listing all new domain names and the associated email accounts you need to create. Utilize G Suite's admin console to bulk upload these account details. Implement G Suite's setup wizard to configure basic settings for each new account, such as language and time zone preferences. For advanced settings, create predefined groups or organizational units within G Suite to ensure emails have the necessary signatures and branding automatically appended. Apply security measures by enabling two-factor authentication and setting strong passwords for each account to maintain integrity and trustworthiness. Finally, delegate an IT personnel or hire an external consultant to run regular audits on these accounts, ensuring they adhere to best practices. 2. Mastering Outlook configuration. Draft a standardized configuration template for all email accounts in Microsoft Office 365 Admin Center. Harness the power of PowerShell scripts to facilitate the setup of Outlook accounts. This can automate the process, making it more efficient. Through Outlook Web App, OWA, you can create mailbox policies, which standardize layouts and signatures across your new accounts. Use transport rules in Exchange Admin Center to control email flow and apply appropriate filters or rerouting emails to avoid spam triggers. Integrate your CRMs to ensure that leads and communications are automatically logged for easier tracking. Similar to G Suite, ensure Outlook accounts enforce company-wide security policies like automatic locking after a period of inactivity or the enforcement of security updates. 3. Consistent account management and maintenance. Appoint a dedicated team or a specific individual for continuous account monitoring and management. Schedule routine checks on email sending limits, domain reputation, and blacklists to prevent and quickly resolve issues that may arise. Engage with email warm-up services in early stages to improve deliverability. Establish a routine where emails begin with low volumes and gradually increase to build sender reputation. Implement monitoring tools like Google Postmaster Tools or Microsoft's SNDS for insights into your email performance on both Gmail and Outlook. Juggling a myriad of email accounts is a calculated operation designed to craft a more effective email outreach. By configuring dozens of G Suite and Outlook accounts, your company is preparing to cut through the noise and place itself directly into the inboxes of future clients. Propel your sales force with a robust email infrastructure tailored precisely for your company's size and agility.